All right, I did it. Hello everyone, it's your boy DJ Code Red, and I have finally put together my first game. Now, here's what I want people to understand. I, by all means, am not a person who actually knows how to code games. Actually, I mean, I know how to code a little bit now, but I wasn't trying to actually code a game. I was trying to figure out how to put game audio inside of a game. And in order for me to actually do it, I had to actually create my own game. So through this journey, I'll play a series of videos. Through these journey, I'll show you how I developed the level, which was, after about like a month of like really studying, like intense focusing, day in and day out, putting in a lot of hours to actually figure out how to learn this thing. I am pretty happy with the results. So I had to learn game mechanics first, right? I had to develop a plot. I had to develop the character, the mechanics, all of those things. Then I was able to create a level. Once the level was created, I could therefore put the audio inside of the level to make it a full creation. So there's a level of sound design that had to go into it. There's some composing that had to go into it. And I had a lot of fun. It was very, very, very tough. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you the video first so you can at least see what the gameplay looks like. And then after that video, I'll put you up under the hood so you can see exactly what I've done. And I know you're going to enjoy it. It's your boy DJ Code Red. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, here we are inside of the game. This is so cool to me that I was able to actually pull this thing together. I was really focusing on the game audio development on this thing. So when you start the level, as you can hear up here at the top, there is the air conditioner to let us know that we're in a game. Also, there's some Foley in the background just so it doesn't sound like a dead game. What I'll do as I walk through the level is I'll start to point out the things that I was actually able to implement, and then after we have finished the level, then I'll go back and I'll show you those things. As we move through the first stage, we're going to get a set of instructions and music is going to start to play. Let's hear that.
All right, soldier, you're going to be alone on this one. We need you to go and get the intel, get you a weapon, and shoot your way out of there. Good luck.
So we have our set of instructions. We need to find the intel and find a weapon, then get to the extraction point. What I had to do is I had to get a generator here, generator sound there. It's like an engine. If we go to the left, we see some enemies rolling around, so we're gonna get caught if we go there. As we continue to move through this stage, you can see another air conditioner sound, and we move over to the right and we start to see more level. If we look over to the left, we see another enemy. We also have a generator sound here as we get closer to it, and generator engine. And then you see these wires here. If we listen closely, you can hear a shot every once in a while. There it is right there. So let's go ahead and get this intel, which is right here. You hear that sound effect? That means we've collected it. So now we can go over here and get our weapon. Now, once we get our weapon, the watch commander is going to come on, the mission commander is going to come on the air again and tell us what to do. But also what I want you to pay attention to is we're going to get a shaker sound in the music. All right, so let's get that.
Now that you got your weapon and the intel, get to the extraction point. Hurry up.
Now let's start to kill some enemies. he's done. Now, what's gonna happen next? Oh, also, let me just show y'all this real quick. There's a air conditioning sound here. So we got another air conditioning sound. All right. So as we go through the level, we are when we go through this door here, there's going to be, or this stairway here, there's going to be a trigger, and the trigger is going to start to bring in the kick. So let's go in here, get him out the way. Got him out the way. And now we are moving towards the last part of the stage. So as we get through this door here, what's going to happen is we're going to drop out a lot of the instrumentation, and it's going to be the ARP sound and the clap sound. So let's move through here, get him out the way. If I can shoot him. That's one. That's two. All right, so the ARP sound is in here, and the clap, as you can see. We got the air conditioner still going here. We move forward through here. We've got the generator going on in here as well. There's nothing else in here, right? No. All right, so as we move through this next section of the level, all of the instrumentation is going to come back on, and I have to kill some more people to get to the last part. All right, here we go. Boom. Music is back on. Kill these guys. I'm not that good at shooters, okay? All right. Another air conditioner right here. Had to put that sound in there. All right. So what happens now is that we've completed the level. It is now time to hear the stinger and the congratulations. So we're going to move through here.
Congratulations, soldier. You did it. Helicopter's on the way. See you back at home.
And that is the adaptive music portion of this thing. So we've went from the beginning to the end. Now let's go back under the hood so I can show you how I actually put this thing together. Here we go. Now that you've seen the level and the game, it's now time to go up underneath the hood and look at some of the assets that I actually had to put together. In the next video, I'll show you some Fmod stuff that I had to do. We may look at my engineering program that I use, and also what else will we look at? We'll look at the level design in actually Unreal, and I can show you where those assets are and how I put those things together. So stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one.